It's coming, squids! It's coming! Extreme camping. Pink gazebo, where's pink gazebo? Dave's pink gazebo has blown away. Blown away. Some of that I bought from Sports Direct for a fiver. For a fiver. For a fiver.
Completely flat.
Extreme camping. Happy camping! Happy camping! With a thunderstorm outside! Batten down the hatches! Nails down the doors! Oh no! I didn't even look at mine! Fucking hell! Oh! I can't believe this!
Completely flat.
No!
Fend for yourself, run for your lives.
Nails down the doors! Get that pole! No!
Fend for yourself, run for your lives.
This is ridiculous. Is any cold beer? Yes! Oh no! Uncle Robin's playing anyway!
Completely flat.
Get that pole! This is calm after the storm. Still a bit breezy. Shell Island, middle of August. What do you think is camping at Shell Island in August, pal?
Fantastic. What do you think to me tent? Second time today, I'm taking the floodwaters from my tent. This is my bed.
My £80 second-hand bargain tent, it's still up. A bit wet like, a few puddles, but we're all here, look, dancing. But the normal campsite is utter devastation. Well, you can see these behind me. Look at these behind me. We're not just set it up, it's actually blown down. That shit house is still up, standing. That's a bit flat. Bit of zoom in. Extreme camping.